Hi guys, this is Leytenia'sKitchenette. Kitchenette. Sit back and relax. I would like to share another food review. So if you like this food review, just leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Leytenia'sKitchenette. Kitchenette. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, this is Leytenia'sKitchenette. Kitchenette. I have here a chicken afritada. Look at this one. This is a chicken thighs. So we call this in the Philippines as chicken afritada or a chicken curry. Hello everyone, this is Leytenia'sKitchenette. Kitchenette. I have here a simple recipe. This is a chicken curry, chicken with ketchup. I'm just using the ketchup. Look at this, just to make it a little bit golden brown. And it is mixed with mushrooms, green peas, red beans. This red beans is a kidney red beans with baby carrots. This is bell pepper with petersilie or parsley. Look at this one. It is added with soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, and black pepper. So I'm not using salt because I added already a soy sauce and a chicken bouillon. To make it golden brown, I just added with ketchup. So this is my version of my chicken curry. I added a bay leaves with a little bit of curry powder to make it like a yellowish. So you can choose your varieties of spices, whatever. So this is it. Look, with sliced mushrooms, and this is ready to be served with pasta or with spaghetti noodles. So this is prepared and cooked by the Leytenia'sKitchenette. Kitchenette. This is just a very simple, guys. Just soak the garlic, onions, and add your chicken. First, I boil the chicken in order that the chicken is ready. It will not take time to mix with the other ingredients. So I just boil first this chicken thighs. Look at this, and also to remove the stains. So I cook it well before mixing into the other ingredients. Look at this. So I don't added any tomato paste or tomato sauce because I just use the ketchup. So this is how I cook my chicken curry or chicken afritada, and added this one with bell pepper, paprika powder, and a little bit of chili powder. So this is it. So this will be my toppings for my spaghetti noodles. So guys, I hope you like this food review by the Leytenia'sKitchenette. You can try this one. This is just a very simple menu. This is my pasta, and I'm going to put this one as a toppings here, guys. Look at this. So this is a very yummy. This is my version of chicken curry with kidney beans, with mushrooms, carrots, and green peas. Sarap. Look at this. So look at this, guys. So I hope, guys, you like this chicken curry with ketchup, with green beans. Red beans, green peas with bell pepper and mushrooms and love, so yummy. And this is it. Bon appetit. Look at this, guys. So yan. So after the long hours of work, so I have here my heavy dinner. Ang sarap-sarap, so yummy. Chicken and with a ketchup. Chicken with ketchup, red beans, a multicolored vegetables with chicken prepared by the Leytenia'sKitchenette and with the spaghetti noodles. Thank you for watching, guys. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Ang sarap-sarap, so yummy. Chicken and with a ketchup. Chicken with ketchup, red beans, a multicolored vegetables with chicken prepared by the Leytenia'sKitchenette and with the spaghetti noodles. Thank you for watching, guys. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Hi guys, thank you for watching for this food product reviewed by Leytenia'sKitchenette, and thank you again, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Ciao, take care, God bless everyone.